In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add skills and endorsements to your LinkedIn profile. Improving your LinkedIn presence is an excellent way to showcase your abilities and make your profile more attractive to potential employers and connections. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the site, you'll see a prompt to sign in. You can do this easily using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask for a verification code sent to your phone, ensuring your account's security. Be sure to have your phone handy if this step comes up. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to your avatar picture in the upper right corner of the screen, give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View Profile. This action will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can add all the meaningful details about your professional life. On your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button, typically located below your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a menu. In the drop-down, search for the section labelled Core, where you'll find the option to add skills. Select Add Skills and a text box will appear. In the text box, you can enter any skills you want to showcase. For example, maybe you're a whiz at Photoshop, or you've honed your project management skills over the years. Whatever it is, type these skills in. Not only do skills highlight your capabilities, but they also make it easier for recruiters to find your profile based on keyword searches. After entering your skills, you'll find an option to tick the box beside the company where you acquired each skill. This feature allows you to link your skills to specific job experiences, which adds credibility and context to your profile. When you've entered all the skills you want to add and linked them to appropriate work experiences, go ahead and click Save. This action will update your profile, integrating your skills seamlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully added skills to your LinkedIn profile, making your professional narrative more robust and attractive. Don't forget, the more endorsements you get from colleagues or former employers, the stronger your profile will appear to potential connections. That's all for today. Keep fine-tuning your LinkedIn profile, and you'll surely attract the right opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials. Happy networking.